Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to edit labels in Jira. So the first thing you will have to do is to open up your project, and in order to edit them, go over to List View. Now I will go all the way to the right. As you can see here, these labels. So I have label 1, label 2 and label 3. In order to edit them, go back and select all of the tasks like this that you want to edit the labels in. So in my case, I want to select all of the tasks, so I will select this checkbox right here and it will select all of them. Now simply press edit right here. As you can see, this is a bulk edit of these 5 work items. In order to edit the label, click on keep as is on the label, and as you can see, you can add a new label, replace all labels, find certain labels and remove them, or remove them all. So let's say I want to edit them by finding and removing some of the labels. So click on that, and here select the 3 label and the 2 label and remove them. So click on next and next as well. So confirm. Now, as you can see, this bulk action is in progress, and you can see that these 2 labels disappeared. It is really this easy to remove or edit these labels. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.